Greetings everyone. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we, Thinknyx Technologies, explore how AWS SageMaker simplifies the machine learning process. So join us as we delve into the world of ML and unlock the potential of SageMaker for our upcoming projects. Now let's take a look at the agenda for the day. We'll delve into Amazon SageMaker, a powerful machine learning platform. Look in depth into the architecture of SageMaker, dissecting its layers and functionalities. We'll discuss the key services offered by SageMaker designed to elevate the machine learning experience. Consider the process of planning a cross-country road trip. Just like a successful road trip requires a detailed itinerary, a reliable vehicle, fuel, and a good sense of direction, developing and deploying machine learning models involves a series of strategic steps and essential resources. Now envision SageMaker as the ultimate travel companion, not for road trips, but for navigating the intricacies of machine learning. SageMaker acts as your expert guide, taking care of the logistical challenges just as a travel companion would handle navigation, hotel bookings, and vehicle maintenance. It removes the stress and uncertainties from planning the journey, allowing you to concentrate on enjoying the scenic route and the ultimate destination. In this case, the successful deployment of machine learning models. Whether it's mapping out the route, managing fuel stops, or handling unexpected detours, SageMaker streamlines the entire process. It empowers you to savor the journey and the destination without getting entangled in the complexities of the road. So just as a reliable travel companion makes a cross-country road trip smooth and enjoyable, SageMaker ensures a seamless and delightful experience in your machine learning endeavors. Amazon SageMaker is structured around three essential layers. The user interface layer offers a user-friendly environment for accessing SageMaker services, while the machine interaction layer bridges user interaction with the underlying infrastructure. Complementing these layers is the container layer, which encompasses the entire infrastructure for seamless operation. The user interface layer in Amazon SageMaker abstracts the underlying complexities of the platform, offering users a graphical interface to interact with its services seamlessly. This simplifies the utilization of SageMaker's features, shielding users from the intricate architecture and allowing them to focus on their machine learning tasks effortlessly. At the heart of Amazon SageMaker's user interface layer are two essential components that elevate the machine learning experience: SageMaker Notebooks and SageMaker Studio. SageMaker Notebooks offer a cloud-based collaborative environment for machine learning development with pre-configured libraries. They streamline the entire process from data exploration to model deployment in a single, integrated platform. SageMaker Studio is an integrated development environment within Amazon SageMaker, offering a unified platform for end-to-end machine learning workflows. It provides data scientists with a collaborative space combining tools for data preparation, model building, and experiment tracking in one cohesive environment. SageMaker Studio is like an all-in-one suite for machine learning, combining notebooks, data tools, and experiments. SageMaker Notebooks, on the other hand, are more like individual workstations just for writing and running code in Jupyter Notebooks. Within the machine interaction layer, AWS provides two powerful tools for developers: AWS APIs and SDKs. AWS APIs serve as essential tools for machine interaction, enabling developers to programmatically control AWS services. They provide a seamless way to initiate machine learning tasks, manage infrastructure, and access various AWS services, providing flexibility in developing and deploying machine learning solutions. Software development kits, commonly known as SDKs, empower developers to seamlessly integrate and interact with AWS services, offering a convenient and language-specific way to build applications on the AWS cloud. One such example is Boto 3 for Python, Additionally, the Amazon SageMaker SDK is a specialized toolkit from AWS designed to simplify the development, training, and deployment of machine learning models on SageMaker, offering a user-friendly experience with its set of APIs and tools. Two fundamental components make up the container layer of the SageMaker architecture: SageMaker containers and container orchestration. Containers are like organized packages that hold everything you need in one place. Amazon SageMaker containers hold all the stuff needed for machine learning, like models, code, and tools, in tidy packages, so it's easy to move them around. SageMaker employs dedicated containers for both training and inference tasks in machine learning, facilitating scalable and distributed workflows. Container orchestration in Amazon SageMaker can be compared to having a dependable travel companion overseeing your cross-country road trip. Picture having a helper ensuring your vehicle is in top condition, navigating efficiently, and monitoring fuel levels to prevent unexpected stops. Similarly, SageMaker orchestrates Docker containers for your machine learning models, managing setup, configuration, and monitoring seamlessly, allowing you to focus on your journey without worrying about technical details. The life cycle of a machine learning model involves four key stages: data preparation, model construction, training, and deployment. SageMaker provides a comprehensive suite of services to support users throughout the complete life cycle of a machine learning model. Referring back to the road trip example used earlier, the data preparation stage of the machine learning model lifecycle involves meticulously planning and gathering essentials before embarking on the journey. This includes tasks such as gathering maps, checking weather forecasts, and ensuring the vehicle is stocked with the necessary supplies, mirroring the collection, cleaning, and organization of datasets to prepare them for analysis and model training. Amazon SageMaker offers two powerful tools to streamline the process: SageMaker Ground Truth and Data Wrangler. SageMaker Ground Truth is a labeling service designed to help users create high-quality labeled datasets efficiently. It simplifies the process of labeling data for training machine learning models by offering easy-to-use tools and workflows. Data Wrangler is a feature in Amazon SageMaker that simplifies the process of data preparation for machine learning tasks. It provides a visual interface for exploring, cleaning, and transforming datasets, enabling users to efficiently pre-process the data without the need for complex coding. Just as you plan the route and vehicle for a road trip, in model construction, you design the architecture and select algorithms for your machine learning model. This step involves choosing the relevant features, defining the model's structure, and configuring its parameters. In the model construction phase, Amazon SageMaker offers users built-in models and services, simplifying the initiation of projects. SageMaker provides pre-trained machine learning models across diverse domains, offering users ready-to-use solutions to accelerate their projects without extensive training. These carefully designed models guarantee top-notch performance and dependability, simplifying the process of developing machine learning solutions for complex problems. SageMaker Jumpstart is a feature within Amazon SageMaker that provides built-in machine learning solutions and workflows for common use cases. It offers a curated collection of pre-trained models, sample notebooks, and end-to-end pipelines, empowering users to effortlessly begin their machine learning projects without requiring deep expertise or manual configuration. Once you have your route planned, you embark on the road trip with your vehicle actively traversing the planned route to reach your destination. Similarly, in model training, you feed the prepared data into the model, enabling it to learn from patterns and relationships in the data by actively engaging in the training process. In the model training phase, Amazon SageMaker provides advanced features to optimize and streamline the training process. Distributed training refers to the process of training machine learning models across multiple compute resources simultaneously. By distributing the workload across multiple machines or nodes, each with its own processing power and memory, distributed training reduces the time required to train models and enables efficient scaling to accommodate large datasets and computational requirements. Imagine you are trying to plan the perfect road trip, but you want to experiment with different routes and stops to see which one offers the best experience. Amazon SageMaker's experiments feature is like keeping a detailed journal of all your travel experiments. You can group together related journey attempts, note down important details like the routes taken or stops made, and assess how well each attempt fares. Similarly, with a SageMaker's experiment feature, one can group together related training attempts, note down important details like the settings or hyperparameters used, and see how well each attempt did. This helps you figure out what works best and make your model smarter over time. After completing the road trip, you share your experiences with others to enjoy. Similarly, after training the model, you deploy it into production where it can make predictions or classifications on new, unseen data. This process involves integrating the model into an application or system where it can be accessed by end users. SageMaker's features such as endpoints and automatic model scaling play a crucial role in streamlining the model deployment phase efficiently. In Amazon SageMaker, endpoints are like doorways through which one can access their trained machine learning models. Once the model is trained, it is deployed to an endpoint, which acts as a web service. This endpoint allows users to send new data to the model and get predictions back in real time. Automatic model scaling in Amazon SageMaker refers to the capability of dynamically adjusting the computational resources allocated to machine learning models based on demand. When deploying models as endpoints for real-time inference, SageMaker automatically scales the underlying infrastructure to handle various levels of traffic. This ensures optimal performance and responsiveness even during peak usage periods, without the need for manual intervention. In summary, Amazon SageMaker stands as a transformative solution in the realm of machine learning, offering a seamless and efficient platform for building, training, and deploying models at scale. It empowers users to innovate and drive impactful business outcomes by abstracting away infrastructure complexities. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, do hit the like and subscribe button. You can click on the link below to know more about Thinknyx technologies. Stay tuned for practical demonstrations of the complete SageMaker service in our upcoming videos.